Ganda mo naman yung lakad mo.
Pero naka-wide.
Pagod na ako.
Pero naka-wide siya.
Wala ko na-realize na pagod.
Alright. Here we come. So, andito kami ngayon. Here we are at the Terminal 3, Naiya. Bound to Tacloban City. Actually, yung flight namin mga 3:45 pa. Kaya lang, wala na kami sasakyan kung gabi pa kami alis ng Bulacan. So, mas kami ng mga aga doon. Unfortunately, nakakainip pala ang gintay. Ayan, tsura ng mga passenger dito. Di man ito ang unang pagkakataon makasakay ako ng aeroplano. Pero dahil sa tagal na ng panahong lumipas, parang bago pa rin sa akin ang lahat. At dahil ngayon kasama ko ang pamilya, doble ang excitement na aking nadarama para sa kanila. Kaya ng pagmumotor, may sayang dala ang pagsakay ng aeroplano, paglipad sa Himpapawid. So guys, boarding na kami guys. Bound to Tacloban City. $22D. Alright guys. $22D. FE. $22D.
Double check na lang natin.
Oh my God.
May we request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects, like flasks, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin.
$22D.
Dito ba? Doon na.
Saan ka ba?
C.
Dito.
Ayaw C. Left side.
Yan ka?
For you can put it here, mami, malaking bag.
Pwede na kayo dito. Para magkasama kayo.
Yun. Thank you po.
Para magkasama kayo.
Thank you po.
Dapat dito. Against the right. Ano ba yan? Paano?
To to Tacloban must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. May we request all guests to please stow your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front of you or in the stowage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call on any of your cabin crew. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 5J649, patungong Tacloban.
Hello everyone, good morning. Magandang umaga po. Your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5. Announcements for the flight deck and cabin crew. Your patience, full cooperation and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate and welcome aboard.
Sa bulsa lang, Dad. Wala. Baka saan dyan? Baka nasa malaki. Wala?
Hello everyone, this is Des and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart. For Tacloban, in command of the aircraft is Captain Lemas, assisted by First Officer Pere. Flight time is approximately 1 hour, weather and traffic permitting. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features and push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end to unfasten, lift up of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body to don slip vest over the head. Take automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band sideways for snug fit, and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelt securely. Keep window shades up and tray tables sewed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited.
believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
To ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign. Bago tumayo para kunin ang iyong mga kagamitan ay sila namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy.
Pagkatapos nga ng isang oras na paglipad, narinig na namin ang hudyat ng aming paglanding. Mga ilang sandali pa, lumapag na ang aming sinasakyan sa kalupaan, Tacloban.
That no litter is left behind the aircraft.
Thank you. Good morning, Tacloban. Here we go. Guys, ito na kami. Tacloban Airport. Morning sa inyo lahat. How's your flight? Okay? Hey babe. Kamusta flight mo? Daniel J. Romuald Ford.
arrangements kaya
Hindi na yan. Hindi na. Uwian na yan eh. Naiiyak.
Saan na kaya sila? Ang daming tao.
CR mo na. Ha?
Saan tayo kaya?
Pero sila sa akin.
VIP na to.
Pero siya na kaya.
Sa'yo pala. Mga kaway, parang artista.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Ilang sandali pa ay narating na namin ang aming tutuluyan. Kaya ng inaasahan.
Lumabas kami.
Konting almusal at konting pahinga lang. Ay
Tumakas kami.
sumilip na kami agad sa dagat na malapit sa amin. Pumunta kami dito sa may seawall. Pero namin umakyat dito sa dagat. Dito kami sa may Tanawan. May Tanawan. Leyte. Province of Leyte. Yung covered court nila. Buhangin na rito. Ay, siguro isa yan sa mga na-Yolanda, no? Ang bahay na yan.
Diba to?
Isa to sa mga na-Yolanda.
Pwede ba sumama?
Oo naman. Hindi yan. Mahangin naman eh. Siguro ang ganda dito sa gabi. Kasi may mga ilaw yun. Ah, may beach pala rito. Beach pala yun.
Ano appreciate mo? Pwede ako ng pag-undi.
Ay, may pantalan. Anong bundok kaya yun? Tulis yun. Parang pyramid.
Pyramid. Yung sabihin mo ba?
Kasi ito yung ano, part 2 ng mga na-Yolanda. Ang bagyong Yolanda. Yan, yung kahabaan ng coastal na to. Yan doon sa may Tacloban. So yun guys, dito natin sisimulan yung ating adventure. Saan yun, sa mga susunod na vlog natin ay ibabahagi namin sa inyo yung mga kasaysayan at ang mga gandang lugar dito sa Leyte. So, patuloy pa kayo sumabaybay at sumuporta sa amin. Let's go!
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike.
Abangan sa pagpapatuloy ng ating adventure. Pupuntahan naman natin ang isa sa pinagmamalaki ng Leyte, ang Agas Bridge, na siyang pinakamataas na tulay sa buong Pilipinas. Let's go!